Hey everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making special nihari, so let's get started. Ingredients that you need: meat 1 kg, ginger garlic paste, shan nihari masala, all-purpose flour, fried onions, lemon, coriander, green chilies. First of all, apply tenderizer on meat and leave it for 35 minutes. In a pot, add oil, add sliced onion, fried until it gets golden. Take it out. In a same pot, add ginger garlic paste, add meat, fry it for 5 minutes. Add nihari masala. Cook until oil separates. Add 1 liter of water. You can add water as much as you need to tenderize meat. Cook for 2 hours. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour and dissolve it with water. Make sure there are no lumps. After 2 hours, slowly add it to the gravy. Stir to mix it well in the gravy and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes till the gravy thickens. It started to thicken. Give a stir in between. And it's ready to serve. Garnish with coriander, green chilies, fried onions, lemon juice. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share with your friends, family members. Thanks for watching.